Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the PayPal "we couldn't confirm it's you" message. This common issue can be frustrating, but there are several straightforward steps you can take. Often, it's triggered by simple things like entering incorrect login information or if PayPal detects unusual activity on your account. Sometimes, an outdated browser or an older version of the PayPal app can also be the culprit, preventing proper confirmation. Let's start with some basic troubleshooting. First, carefully re-enter your login credentials, ensuring there are no typos in your email or password. A simple mistake can often be the root cause. Next, try clearing your web browser's cache and cookies or switch to a different browser entirely. If you're using the mobile app, make sure it's updated to the very latest version, as older versions might have compatibility issues. If the basic steps don't work, focus on your account verification. Ensure your email address and phone number listed on your PayPal profile are completely up to date. PayPal often requires identity verification for security, so check if there are any pending steps you need to complete. Also, take a moment to review your recent account activity for anything suspicious. Sometimes, this message is a protective measure. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and still can't confirm your identity, it's time to reach out to PayPal's customer support. They have dedicated teams to help with these specific security issues. Be prepared with your account details and a clear, concise description of the problem you're facing. You can usually find their contact information on the PayPal website, often under a Help or Contact Us section.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.